Welcome to 50000trucks.com Box Trucks for Sale video. First up, we have a 2006 Hino 338. It is a 6-speed manual transmission. Nice clean truck. It's out of Colorado at DTI Truck Sales. This box truck has a side opening gate there, as you can see. It's a 33,000 pound GVW. This box truck has a lift gate, fold out flat down lift gate, 12,000 pound fronts, 21,000 pound rears. It has a Hino 8-liter diesel with a translucent roof. Nice clean truck. Next up, we have a 2003 Ford E350 Cutaway Box Truck. It's got a 6.8 liter Triton gas. And this box truck has a V10. It's an automatic transmission, 11,500 pound GVW, lift gate, auto trans. The asking price on this box truck that's for sale is $14,500. And it is clean, as you can see in the picture. And next up, we have a 2007 Ford F55OXL box truck for sale. It has the 6-liter turbo diesel, 325 horsepower. Has an automatic transmission. It is under CDL. The price tag on this is $15,200 with a lift gate. Now we have a 2003 Chevy Kodiak C4500 box truck for sale. It has an 8.1 liter Vortec. Rear end ratio 463. It is under CDL, 16,500 GVW. It's got an Allison Auto. Good trans. You can see the inside of the box coming up here now. It's a nice clean truck, box truck. The price tag on this is $13,750. That has the walkout. Then next up, we have a 2003 International Ford E300 box truck for sale. It has the infamous DT466, 215 horsepower, automatic transmission. It's Allison MD 3060P 5-speed auto. That is 23,500 GVW, which is under CDL. And it has the nice lift gate out the back too. And next we have a 2006 Kenworth T300 box truck that's for sale. This is an unusual box truck. This is a Cat 250 horsepower 6-speed trans. This box truck that's for sale has a removable body. So you can take that off and put a different flatbed body on it. This is a multi-purpose box truck chassis, really, that's for sale. And it has 10,000 pound fronts, 20,000 pound rears. The van body that's on it is a 26-foot van body. And that is a hard truck to find. And last up, the last box truck that's for sale is the 2007 GMC T7500, 7.8 liter turbo 200 horsepower, automatic trans. It's a Duramax diesel, Allison 5-speed. It is under CDL, 25950 GVW. Has the cab over front for easy driving, nice for the inner cities, for box trucks that are for sale. So if you're interested in any of these, you can click on the link below, add some comments in the link below if you're interested in some other trucks that we haven't listed here that you're looking for, or just give us a call at 866-602-8726. Thank you.